This is Rick Wagner, your Western Colorado accident attorney. I wanted to say something real quickly about what you need to do as soon as you have an accident. If somebody runs into you and you're injured, you need to do one thing right away. Everybody's going to say something different, it seems like. Here's the thing: call the cops. Make sure that law enforcement is involved. Now, I may be prejudiced having been involved in law enforcement for so long, but I can tell you this is lots of times people get out and say, we'll take care of it. We don't need to call the police. I'll take care of the damages, so on and so forth. And you know what? A significant portion of that time doesn't happen that way. Either don't care of it, or what they do is they talk to their insurance company and they tell a completely different story about what happened. So the first thing you want to do before you take pictures or all the other things you get advice about is make sure the police are called or the sheriff's department or the state patrol are called to make sure you get a record and an investigation. Don't listen to someone else. You have to be the one on your side. And we're on your side too. If something happens, you need some help, call us. I'm Rick Wagner. We know how to do these things.